Hi guys, I'm back with another mani. So Born Pretty sent me over some products to feature on my channel. So thank you to Born Pretty. And so I got some 6-in-1 nail glue and 5 nail or gel polish colors that I picked out. And so let's go ahead and get into it. Now with the 6-in-1 nail glue, I got a new one. This is a 60-second cure in your LED lamp. It has several uses, and you can use it as a nail strengthener, a base coat, a tip glue, extension gel, watercolor gel, which would be for like I can't think of it, and a top coat. Oh, the blooming gel. When they say watercolor gel, blooming gel. And so here's the first color. No, I did not swatch on camera. This is JN86, which is a iced jelly nude. This next color is Sunset Gaze MY231. It's giving hints of blue and like a green iridescent color. That is a cat eye polish. This one is Grape Iced MY124, another cat eye polish that is giving me galaxy vibes. Really pretty. I liked all the colors. And Guava Soda MY, I think that's 121. This is another cat eye that I picked out as well. I love me some cat eyes. And the last one is Moonlight Milk, which is a glitter jelly gel. And so again, thank you to Born Pretty. So I have some short nails, almond nails picked out here. I think they're round, not almond, round. And so I'm going in with Born Pretty's base coat and applying that just to one nail. I don't show all nails on camera. So I'm applying that base coat. And you don't have to necessarily use base coat on fake nails, but you know it helps. And so I give that a 60-second cure in my lamp. So after that, the color that I chose was that Moonlight color. And so that's giving me winter, Christmas, snowflakes, all of that. So I couldn't decide if I wanted to do snowflakes or Christmas light nails. So I decided to do Christmas light nails. I don't know why I said again, didn't say it the first time, but I decided to do Christmas light nails. And so after the first coat, I gave them a cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I'm going in with the second coat of color on all of the nails. And the thing with gel polish, and when it starts getting colder, sometimes it starts to get a little thick, and so I do like to kind of rub it or roll it to kind of loosen it up a little bit, because this was kind of thick. And so you can tell the difference between the first coat on the thumb and the second coat on the other nails. So here are all the nails after the second coat has been applied and cured. I'm going in with the alcohol prep pad. These are 4x6 alcohol wipes I get off Amazon. And so I'm just wiping off the inhibition layer from the gel polish from curing in the lamp, because I'm going to go in with some Christmas light nail stickers. And I got these, I believe, off Shein. And so they are different. And so some have green strings and some have bigger bulbs, some have different color bulbs. And so one thing I didn't like about these, and some have pastel colored bulbs. And I was just trying to see what's going to fit best on the nail. I'll use my nail tweezers to get these off, y'all. And they kept sticking to the doggone nail tweezers. They kept curling up and sticking to the tweezers. So once I got the first layer of lights on the nail, some of them I had to off camera fix and kind of rearrange, because I wasn't satisfied with just that one string on the nails. And so I did go in and do a second string of nails off camera. Some I end up cutting the bulbs off and kind of rearranging, like cutting the bulbs off the sticker. Like, look at that. See, I was like, why are you doing this to me? Like, what are you doing? But yeah, I think 2 or 3 stickers ended up doing this, and I got real irritated. Like, soon as I took it off, it just rolled up on itself, and I was like, why? So some of them I just did it with my hand. I know you shouldn't, because you got oils and stuff on your hand, and it could impact the way the stickers adhere to the nail, but that just kept it from rolling up on itself, because I was like, I only have one sticker sheet of these particular stickers, and I wanted to cover all the nails, and I didn't want to use the stickers with the green light string. Not for this set. I didn't want to mix and match the color of the light strings. And so yeah, that was another one acting wonky, and so I was just like, bruh, you are killing me. And so you can see after that because these nails are kind of wide, well, they're not really wide, it's just the string, the sticker itself wasn't that. I put it on the wider part of the nail instead of putting it closer to the free edge of the nail itself. And so yeah, so I'm just putting this on the nail, and you'll see once I come back that the nails are more covered, because I did end up applying a second set of lights to the nails. And then what hung over the nail, I did take my little small scissors and cut that off of the edge. So yeah, this was tragic with it folding under. So that's another one I did. I was like, you disrespectful, disrespectful. Now I don't know about them pastel lights. I don't know if I really like the pastel lights, but once I get all of the stickers on the nails, I go in and apply, I can't remember if I used the 6-in-1. I think I did use the 6-in-1 gel to encapsulate the stickers, and then cure in my lamp, and then I go in with top coat. So you can see here I have way more stickers on the nails. So yeah, I encapsulate with Born Pretty 6-in-1 nail glue, which is pretty thick. It has a thick viscosity to it. And so again, I cure for 60 seconds in my LED lamp, and then I go in and apply Born Pretty Super Top Coat to the nails, and I cure for 60 seconds. So here are the nails after the top coat. I did just apply them with some sticky tabs just temporarily. So thank you guys for watching. If you found value, please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel because it's free 99, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Born Pretty for sending me these products. I'll see you guys next time.